If your iPhone gets too hot, remove it from heat sources and place it in a cool, dry location. Avoid cooling it with cold water or extreme temperatures, as this could cause internal condensation. Let it rest for a while to regulate its temperature naturally. Besides, you can also take off the iPhone case to help cool down the device. Method 1. Restart the iPhone. Restarting your iPhone helps clear any temporary glitches or excessive processes running in the background that could be causing it to overheat. Method 2. Stop running apps. Excessive apps running in the background can drain resources and cause your iPhone to overheat. You can stop running apps by swiping up from the home screen and swiping away unnecessary apps. Method 3. Free up iPhone storage space. Run the Settings app and then go to General and then the iPhone storage section. Then you can press each app and clear the files in it to free up the iPhone storage. Method 4. Check iPhone battery health. Start the Setting app and touch the battery option. Choose the battery health to check the maximum capacity. If the maximum capacity is consistently under 80%, it's time for a replacement. Method 5. Update iPhone iOS version. Run Settings and touch General greater than Software Update. If there is a new iOS version, tap Install Now to finish the iPhone iOS update. Method 6. Repair iPhone iOS issues, no data loss. By using MagFone, you can restore your iPhone's performance to normal with just a few easy steps. The best part? It's a secure, reliable tool that keeps your data intact while fixing the underlying software problems causing the heat. Choose MagFone for a hassle-free, data-safe iPhone recovery experience. Follow this instruction to fix the iPhone overheating issue. Method 7. Factory reset iPhone, data loss. First, enter Settings and then tap the General option. Proceed to tap Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap Erase all content and settings. Select Continue and enter your screen passcode.